just where the red sun falls. She grew up running wild through the old ranch walls. Boots on the ground, hard tough as the plains. A Texas girl born with fire in her veins. And every night by the rodeo light, she'd watch them ride like kings of the night. Something about the way they smile so free made her heart beat like a stampede. 'Cause she's in love with her Texas boys, the ones who ride hard and raise their noise. Flannel shirts and a fearless grin, dust on their boots, trouble in their skin. And yeah, she loves the way they chase the wind. Her wild, wild Texas boys again. Friday nights on the old dirt road, truck bed dancing when the radio glows. They tease her saying, girl, you're one of us. And she laughs so loud it kicks up dust. A little whiskey kissing in the summer heat, her heart's two-stepping to a country beat. She swears no city man could take their place, not when cowboys hold her like that. 'Cause she's in love with her Texas boys, the ones who ride hard and raise their noise. Flannel shirts and a fearless grin, dust on their boots, trouble in their skin. Yeah, she loves the way they chase the wind. Her wild, wild Texas boys again. Maybe someday she'll settle down, build a little home outside that town, but she knows her heart belongs to them, the boys who made her love the West again. She's still in love with her Texas boys, her rough-edged, sweet-talking country joys. They lift her up, they make her